Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to walk through one of our recently arrived trades. It's a 2016 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck Outboard. We'll start with the way the boat's powered. It has a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. Making our way up to the sun pad of the boat. It's versatile, gives you some nice aft-facing seating. A tremendous amount of storage, great for beach chairs and a lot of other gear you're going to bring with you. As we make our way into the cockpit of the boat, you do have a freshwater sprayer here at the transom. A ton of seating inside the cockpit of the 270 Sundeck. You have two backrests that move to give you aft-facing loungers on both the port and starboard side. This boat is equipped with the white sports tower with integrated bimini top. You have a ski pylon off the transom as well as one on the arch for water sports. The stereo has been upgraded in this boat. It's a JL audio with subwoofer. On the port side, you do have a head compartment. It's a porta potty head. At the helm, we have a 5-inch Raymarine GPS unit, trim tabs, digital throttle and shift, stereo controls, and a tilt wheel. Making our way up to the bow of the boat, you have storage underneath each lounger, flip down armrests, and the boat does come with two tables, one for the bow of the boat and one for the cockpit. So real quick look at our 2016 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck. Make sure you stop down to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach to see this boat and the rest of the inventory we have in stock.